start on page 19. You don't need your iPad. You don't need your backpack on the table. Page 19, we're going to start off with a silent board game. We already did the first two. So we're going to start on the third one. Okay. So give you guys a couple minutes to think about the third one here. And if you are ready to provide us with a number, I'm not even ready, but go for it. Come on up. All right. Oh, what is the equation? My apologies. Yes, what is the equation for that last board game?
5x plus 1.
5x plus 1. Very good. So you're going to have a silent board game on your quiz. So make sure you understand how to do silent board games on the quiz. Excuse me? Yeah, sometime this week. All right, oh, before we go on, I actually want to start on 13, page 13. Love how you guys are already jumping to the classwork. Page 13. Ooh, with that, let me put a pause. Page 13. Can you guys start with just letter A, only A? All right, so we're on page 13. What does your quiz look like? Desiree, before you leave, what does your quiz look like? Page 13, okay? So page 13 will be your quiz. Desiree, I would check the video out because one of these pages you have to upload tonight. And I kind of start you on it and whatnot. All right. So page 13, this is your quiz Thursday, Friday. Is it exactly the same? No. So all I'm going to have you do today is letter A, then tomorrow letter B, then the next day letter C as we prepare for our test. So I'm going to give you guys a couple minutes. I just want you to do letter A. Okay? Just letter A. Ready, set, go. Ready, set, go. Letter A. Orlando, can you tell me what number goes underneath the 0, please?
3.
Thank you. Justin, what goes underneath the 1?
Where? Oh, 4.
Sophia?
5.
Vivian, 3.
6.
Brianna, 4.
7.
Margarita, 5.
8.
And we stop. All right. Ariana, what's my rate of change? 1. Good. Camila in the back, what's my starting point? Very good. All right, who wants to volunteer the equation? Ruben.
So I just say it now?
You just say it now.
Okay. Y equals 1x plus 3.
I agree. You are correct. But there is another way of writing this equation.
X. I forgot. I totally forgot.
So you can take this and make it look more algebra by saying y equals x plus 3. So do we need that 1?
No.
No, we don't need that 1, right? It's there. And in 8th grade, Gretel, it'll still be there. You just have to know it's an invisible 1. All right. So now, what do I do with the 17?
Plus times 1 plus 3.
Yeah, you plug it in, you multiply by 1, and then add 3. So what's 1 times 17?
17.
Plus 3?
20.
20. How is your graph? Does it go up, down, horizontal?
Horizontal.
It should go up. Now, notice. Well, you can't really notice. Okay. I only did 3 dots. Do I just connect these 3 dots and stop my line? No, your line can keep going on forever and ever and ever. All right, very good. So we'll practice the other ones closer to the test. All right, so now we're gonna go to 14. So we're on 14. This is what we're going to end up turning in by the end of the period. In a second, you will. All right. This is like 3 silent board games in one. So 3 silent board games, each separate. Now, take a couple of seconds. I just want you to focus on the top one. And the top one's extremely easy. It's just one step. We did one thing to the number and got the bottom number. So take a couple seconds to figure out what did I do to the top number to get to the bottom number. Jordan, please tell everybody, what do you do to the top number? All right, so everybody do a times 2 straight across, times 2 straight across. Careful at the end with those negatives. Careful at the end with those negatives.
Is it negative 10?
Aaron, can you help me fill out my table with all the numbers? Quick, tell me from the very beginning, what do you get?
0,
Uh-huh.
2,
Okay.
6, 8, 10, 12, -10 and -6.
Very good. Thank you, Eric. So he gave me all of those numbers because all of you should be able to multiply by 2, except the 2 who are literally just copying me. Sad. All right. So, what is my equation for this top one? All right. Go for it.
Y equals 2x.
But what happened to your starting point? You just stopped and you just told me y equals 2x. Isn't there always a second part?
Plus
Oh, it's plus what? 0. Why is it plus 0?
because there's nothing.
Because yeah, it's 0, 0, right? 0, 0. So do we really want to add and write down plus 0? No, it's there. It is there. You just don't see it. Okay. Now you're going to be working on the next 2. The next one's actually pretty easy as well. The third one might be hard. I'll give you a clue if you need it. Okay, you can work with another person
That's the second one.
and finish this.
The second one, 2 steps.
Yeah, second one's 2 steps.